BMW M4 S55 in for an oil change. Let's go ahead and get started on this one here. First thing, just pop this off. That will get moved. Now we lift it up and drain the oil. Yeah. Yeah, right? At least you don't need oil then. No, we don't want to do that. You should have a cat next door, no? Just put all that oil in there, right? But all this oil going in there, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that one's pretty empty. Alright, ready for some more quarts? Wrapping up the oil change here on the BMW M4. Moose went over, grabbing 2 more quarts while I just enjoy this thing, looking at it. The oil filter housing all cleaned up, as you guys see, looking nice and shiny. No drips, no drops, very, very nice. Some fresh oil in there. Like I said, just waiting on 2 more quarts. And then we'll go ahead and let this one out.